I will explain cross-matching and biological test. So cross-matching is a test that is needed to use before any blood transfusion. It is necessary to check if patient and donor have matching blood types, even though, for example, a donor will say that he's A positive and the person that will receive the blood as well. It's necessary to have cross-matching to make sure that no agglutination will happen. So essentially the cross-matching test is a agglutination test. So we will mix red blood cells and plasma from both the donor and the recipient, and if there is agglutination you cannot use the donor's blood in the recipient, and if there is not you can start introducing. And then you go to the second test, which is biological test. So even though there is no reactions in the cross-matching, you will then need to do biological test, which is basically you will slowly administer to the patient 20 ml of blood, and you will ask if he has any physical symptoms. Then you will again wait a few minutes, and then you will add another 20 milliliters, and then we'll ask if he has symptoms. But biological test is not very much used, especially if the patient is unconscious, because he will not be able to tell you what he's feeling. But if the patient is conscious, you will need to do biological test, and if the patient doesn't feel anything, then you can proceed with the transfusion.